Hey y'all, welcome back. Anyways, I'm gonna be doing a maintenance for Valentine's Day. This video, I'm gonna be doing my brows, my lashes, my nails, my toes. I'm even gonna be doing my makeup, my wig install, and purse. So if you guys wanna like see me do all that, then you just keep on watching. Also, y'all, the clip of me doing my own nails did get deleted, so I'm sorry if you guys never end up seeing me doing my nails, but right now I'm about to insert the clip of me doing my toes.
Southside, I've been losing friends and finding peace. Honestly, that sound like a fair trade to me.
Alright, y'all, toes is done. Also, don't come for me. They look a little crusty, y'all, because I didn't put no cuticle oil. I promise this is like powder and stuff from this stuff, y'all, but like, period. Okay, it's giving. Okay, also, since it got deleted right now, I'm about to get my blonde wig and get it ready to change the color, y'all. Okay, y'all, so I just got it. Also, I was eating hot fries, so if you see any Cheetos in my teeth, you know what it is. Okay, so this is the best time to do it, when it's boiling. I mean, not when it's boiling, but like when you can see the steam and stuff, so everything can dissolve good when we mix it. Oh, okay. I feel like I definitely see some orange tones in there, and I'm not liking that, y'all. All right, y'all, and then this is the neon pink, and I'm trying not to put too much of that because I don't want the wig to look pink. I want it to look red. The pink is just supposed to balance it. Got a little piece. I guess that was a good way to test it. Yeah, it's definitely giving red. Okay. And y'all see, this is the red. I'm taking it out so I can really dip it back because like I said, I'm making sure everything gets covered this time. Okay, y'all, all I gotta say is it's been longer than 20 minutes, okay? I was a little tired, but the wig, okay? It's giving the cherry red, okay? Like, it's, okay. The water is not, okay, it's warm now, so I can actually touch it. Okay, y'all, I'm finally starting my wig install. I left the wig sitting. The wig is this super cute, bright red, and everything is completely covered. It doesn't look from light to dark or dark to light. Like, everything is perfectly toned. And y'all, I'm about to be looking like the Little Mermaid, okay? Okay, y'all, so I just finished the wig install, and the red, like, I'm not feeling it. It looks like, it just looks too wiggy right now. Like, I just need to glam it up a bit, you know, but now I'm about to wash my lashes and get ready to do them. And since you can still see the black and they look wispy, I'm pretty much just gonna be putting the pink and red. Oh my god, y'all, it's gonna look so cute on the low. Okay, y'all see that? This right here, oh, that's okay. That just needs a tiny bit of spray. But yeah, all it is flat. You don't see no lace. Well, let me see. Yeah, period. It's giving.
Come back at 6, wake me and your child, and then won't lay today. Make me wonder who you might have been playing with. Makes me wonder who you think you're playing with. I'm gonna tell myself to keep playing this. Wake up back.
Okay, y'all, so my lashes are done. I just brushed them. You can see. I'll see them a little bit. Y'all see, it's cute. It's giving. You'll see, look. But yeah, I love it a lot. And this color is really growing on me, y'all. Like, I'm gelling like a bad bitch. And, like, no one's gonna be able to tell me what to do, y'all. But literally, the only thing I need to do now is my toes. And I do want to, like, figure out, I want to find a hairstyle. But I know I want to wear it. I think I'm just gonna wear it down, y'all, to be honest. I think I'm gonna just, like, do a side part. But I'm gonna look on Pinterest real quick. But yes, y'all, lashes are done. I'm gonna try and turn my camera around so you guys can get a better view of them and see how good they look. Okay, y'all, so I took a little break, and also I'm sorry if it's loud. Like, I have my little heater on. Anyway, it's 7:30. I still have like 4 hours until I leave, which is why I also like haven't been rushing, because I want you guys like to full like with my makeup and stuff done. Okay, y'all, so it's about to be 8, so I'm going to do my brows and my little mustache area, and then once those are done, I think I'm gonna start doing my hair. I need to start doing my hair. I'm gonna wait to do my hair. I'm gonna wait to do my hair when I get done with my brow. But y'all, this red is so pretty. I thought the blonde made me stand out. Okay, I'm gonna shake this up. I just feel like if I can see my mustache in the mirror, I know other people can. Okay, I don't know how long it's been, if I'm being honest, but you're not really supposed to leave this on more than 10 minutes. Anyways, it's burning. And I run cold water so it's not as painful. Alright. Okay, y'all see how straight this brow is?
I was feeling you. That nigga munch. Nigga eat it, he ate it for lunch. Bitch on my body, I get what I want. Like, you thought I was feeling you? That nigga munch. Nigga eat it, he ate it for lunch. Bitch on my body, I get what I want. Like, bitch stay back.
Okay, y'all, so the hair is done, okay? The hair is giving. I still don't know what I'm gonna wear, y'all. All right, y'all, I finally found like a cute outfit. I'm wearing this brown dress with these super cute pink sandals, and then I'm gonna be wearing that, y'all don't mind my bed, but I'm gonna be wearing that pink purse to match the sandals. But right now I'm about to go do my makeup so everything can be done. Alright, y'all, period. Alright, this is the finished look. Okay, I went in with like blush, and I put some on my nose too. You know, I want to look really pink and rosy. And y'all, it's just giving, okay? But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys like and subscribe, and make sure you guys also check out my other videos. And yeah, bye.